Hey guys, so I want to talk about this huge opportunity where you basically stake tokens and get more airdrops. As you can see, this is from the Pixelmon. I have already talked about this project and the upcoming airdrop, which you can farm right now. Pixelmon is basically one of the biggest NFT projects in this space, and it's powered by Mon Protocol. And as you can see, Mon Protocol is launching the Mon token in 2024, which is this year. I think it's basically in 50 to 60 days, in 2 months it will launch. And the big thing is that they already confirmed that you will be able to stake your Mon tokens to get multiple, I think 50 plus airdrops just for staking the Mon tokens. And here is why I am bullish on this Mon token is as you can see, March 23, which is yesterday, they announced a partnership. March 22, new partnership. March 21, new partnership. As you can see, every day they are announcing new partnerships with upcoming tokens, which means that if you stake the Mon token, you will be able to get most of these projects airdrops as well. As you can see, every day they are basically announcing new partnerships. This is Endless Clouds, the Treeverse, a really big upcoming project in this space. And yeah, that's basically really bullish, and I will definitely be staking my Mon token. And if you don't know, there are two ways you can farm the Mon token right now. The first one is from Mon Protocol. You can do these complete the quests, which are really easy social quests. For example, link your wallet, follow Mon Protocol on Twitter, follow Pixelmon on Twitter. You will get 2,000 points for each. Here you can see follow the partners, and you will get daily tasks where you have to like and retweet, where you will get again 1,000 points, 500 points. There are daily spins where you can get from 100 points to 3,000 points daily just by spinning the wheel, which is free. And if you want to do these Mon Protocol quests, and if you want to sign up, you can sign up and use my referral code. You will get more points if you use this code. The link is in the description. This is the first way you can earn points daily. Other way you can earn points is playing this Pixel Pals game, which basically takes me around 5 minutes daily. And the best part about this game is that you only have to spend 3 to 5 minutes to finish your daily tasks. And the daily tasks are basically planting and harvesting your crops, which is really easy. And your Pixel Pal is upgrading every minute, 1 XP per minute. You don't have to do anything. Every 5 levels, you will be able to get the loot boxes. If you have the Pixel Pass, you will be able to get 2 loot boxes instead of 1. How to buy Pixel Pass? Just click here and spend $10. That's all the money you have to spend in this game for the next 24 days. So that's really cheap. You will get 2 boxes instead of 1. And why you want to get 2 boxes and later even 4 boxes instead of 2 is because when you open these boxes, you will get these things like tables, treadmills, these Kevin statue, what is this, fountain. You will basically get these this stuff which give you more habitat points. Right here you can see I have 23,800 habitat points, and habitat points will determine how big the airdrop will be for you. The more habitat points, the bigger airdrop allocation. So you basically get habitat points for opening these boxes. Another way you will be able is just building and placing your stuff on the map. You will get more points right here, and you will be able to open more boxes to get more decorations, which are all these tables, flowers, bushes, and you will just place them and you will get more. Your level will grow, you will get more habitat points. And the third way you get habitat points is just by harvesting your crops. So harvest daily to get more points and rank up faster. And that's basically it. That's basically how you earn your points, habitat points. And points from these Mon Protocol quests is how you will qualify to get your Mon tokens. I don't know how much you will get for these points, but I am grinding these every day because I love projects where you can stake for free airdrops. The same with Pi tokens and the Dimension tokens. You just stake them and get hundreds of airdrops, potential airdrops. And the same for this Mon Protocol, Pixelmon, basically project. They raised $70 million as well, so they have some budget that they can live on. So I'm really bullish on the Mon Protocol, Mon token. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you don't want to miss on any new upcoming crypto airdrop alpha, press the subscribe button, press the notification button, so every time I upload, you get that notification instantly and you don't miss out on any new alpha, that basically you don't miss out on these big airdrop opportunities. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.